Banff and Jasper National Parks, nestled within the majestic Canadian Rockies, are a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a dream destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. From turquoise glacial lakes reflecting snow-capped peaks to diverse wildlife and charming towns, these parks offer something for everyone. Breathtaking scenery. Prepare to be awestruck by towering mountains, emerald valleys, cascading waterfalls, and vibrant wildflower meadows. Hike along scenic trails, take a gondola ride for panoramic views, or relax by a pristine lake. Diverse wildlife. Keep an eye out for elk, moose, bighorn sheep, and even grizzly bears roaming freely in their natural habitat. Participate in guided wildlife tours or join interpretive programs to learn more about these fascinating creatures. Outdoor adventures. Hiking, biking, canoeing, kayaking, rock climbing, skiing, and snowboarding are just a few of the activities you can enjoy here. Challenge yourself or choose leisurely options suitable for all fitness levels. Rich history and culture. Immerse yourself in the region's indigenous heritage through cultural centers, storytelling events, and traditional art displays. Learn about the park's human history dating back centuries. Charming towns. Discover the vibrant towns of Banff and Jasper, offering cozy cafes, art galleries, unique shops, and delicious dining options. Stroll along Banff's lively Banff Avenue or explore Jasper's historic downtown core. Local and seasonal delights. Savor fresh, locally sourced ingredients in various restaurants, cafes, and lodges. Indulge in Alberta beef, trout, wild berries, and homemade desserts. Multicultural influences. Banff and Jasper offer diverse culinary experiences, from fine dining establishments to casual cafes serving international cuisine. Unique dining experiences. Enjoy a picnic lunch with lakefront views, a candlelit dinner in a historic lodge, or a cozy fondue feast in a mountainside restaurant. Best time to visit. May to September offers warm weather and ideal hiking conditions. Winter brings snowy landscapes and winter sports activities. Getting there. Fly into Calgary International Airport and rent a car for the scenic drive to the parks. Alternatively, join a guided tour for a hassle-free experience. Accommodation. Choose from various hotels, lodges, cabins, and campgrounds within the parks, each offering unique settings and amenities. Book in advance, especially during peak season. Activities. Research and book your desired activities beforehand, especially popular ones like guided hikes or gondola rides. Budget. Allocate funds for travel, accommodation, food, activities, and park entrance fees. Accessibility. The parks offer wheelchair-accessible facilities and trails. Plan your itinerary accordingly and inquire about specific accessibility needs. Respect wildlife. Maintain a safe distance from animals and never feed them. Leave no trace, dispose of waste responsibly, and avoid damaging the environment. Be prepared for the weather. Pack layers for unpredictable weather conditions. Purchase park passes. Purchase your park pass in advance to avoid lines and ensure entry. With its stunning scenery, diverse wildlife, and endless activities, Banff and Jasper National Parks offer an unforgettable experience for all types of travelers. Start planning your trip today and discover the magic of the Canadian Rockies.